Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to activate a free SSL certificate in Learnum, an online learning management system or LMS with which you can create unlimited online courses. So I'm building my educational site on Learnum, and if you notice in the address bar, the connection is not secure. That's because I've not yet activated the SSL certificate. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm logged into my Learnum account. I'm in the main dashboard area under My Sites. This is the educational site that I'm creating. Click on this Activate SSL button to activate your SSL certificate. It will take a few seconds and you should see the secured status. So now if I go back to my live education site and refresh the browser, you can see that the SSL certificate has now been activated and the connection is now secure. But that's pretty much it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Look for my other Learnum tutorials, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.